Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you get Facebook Marketplace into your Facebook application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook application, and after opening Facebook, most of the people can find the marketplace into the top right side directly when opening Facebook. But if it's not showing in yours, don't worry. You just simply have to tap into these three bars into the top right side. Just simply click into that and you can see this marketplace option just below the group option. By clicking into that marketplace option, you can see your marketplace into Facebook. Now you can buy and sell any of your product into this marketplace option into Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. And also consider subscribing to the channel to find more helpful contents in the future in our channel. Thank you for watching the video.